Ambient light rejecting screens have become the norm since fewer big screen environments involve a dark room. Matte white materials are unsuitable for use in normal room lighting since the image will be washed out by ambient light. The Cinegray 3D material mitigates washout effect to give you a bright picture. However, the best way to get the most performance from your projector and screen is to make sure your screen is at its optimal height and align your projector's vertical axis so that your eyes are within the angle of getting the most brightness. Here are some tips as to how you can maximize image performance. The ideal projection screen height setting is to have the viewer's eyes align about 1/3 of the way up from the bottom of the screen. For a seated audience, this point of focus is roughly 42 to 48 inches from the floor up. The ideal viewing distance from the screen surface is about 3 times the screen height. This is the most optimal for head and neck alignment and will ensure that the viewer gets the most from the picture. In order to effectively reject ambient light, ALR screens are typically angular reflective. In other words, projected light is directed into your field of vision while off-axis light is diverted away. Ceiling-mounted projectors will typically align with the top of the screen and throw within a 30-degree angle of incidence to the screen center. When the screen is at its optimal viewing height and the projector is throwing at its ideal angle, we call this the sweet spot. If the projector is placed too high, the picture will come up dull. A table-mounted projector should align with shooting from the viewer's seated torso level just over the viewer's head. This will ensure that the angle of incidence to the screen center is generally within 30 degrees. Setting the projector far too low will inevitably give you a duller image. Following the basic steps will ensure picture-perfect quality with your installation. Your projector height setting is crucial, but it's not rocket science to get right.